Okay, I'm going to show you the easy way to change an engine mount on a Holden Commodore V6. The problem is some of the bolts aren't very easy to access. You can see there's the air conditioner compressor on the side of the engine there, and down behind it is where the engine mount is, down in there. You can access the outside bolt from the engine mount there, but the inside one is difficult to access. One way is to pull all the air conditioning system off. However, if we go under the car, we've got another way of doing it. You can see in here, up underneath the car there is where the bolt is. It's reasonably difficult to access, but if we make a special tool, like this, then the job is quite easy. It's a 15mm spanner that I've chopped off and welded an old gungy socket onto it. From there, you put a brake bar onto it, keep the socket in line with the end of the spanner so that the torque stays in line, and doing that you can get a good third of a turn, enough to crack the torque and easily access the bolt. From there, it's a relatively simple process of lifting the engine, replacing the mounts, and then retorquing the bolts. Hope that helps. And here we are, just torquing up the bolt. You see the engine mount there? Get a nice little third of a turn.